Hey, what's going on YouTube? My name is Tom, and in this video, I actually want to share one of the best pieces of advice that I got when it comes to Amazon FBA. So I made this video for mostly the beginner crowd. So if you're someone who's already selling on Amazon or someone who's doing well on Amazon, this video is probably not made for you. But if you're a beginner, if you're someone who's kind of scared of starting up on Amazon, maybe due to budget issues, maybe due to the sense that you're scared to fail on Amazon and you can lose a lot of time, you can lose a lot of money, but at the same time, you want to just get your feet wet. In this video, I'm going to share a very practical advice where you can actually start selling on Amazon today for just around $200 to $300 of investment. So basically, I have a lot of students right now who are in the very beginning stages of their Amazon FBA journey. Now, when I do product research, I make sure that the product has the best potential to do well on Amazon, right? So those products are not very easy to find. A lot of the videos that you see on YouTube are like, hey, find a product, $100,000 in 10 seconds. If that was the case, I don't know why they'll be doing videos when they can just keep launching $100,000 per month product and become multi-billionaires on Amazon. So one of the advice that I can give to people that are beginning their Amazon journey, and I really wish I did this, is you need to learn the entire process. Now, how do you actually go about getting your hands on and getting your feet wet to learn the entire process? So I'm going to share with you guys how to do that. Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to go on AliExpress and you just want to buy 10 units of anything. It could be garlic press, it could be something that you use, it could be a coffee mug, it could be anything really, right? As long as it's not trademarked or patented or some sort of a restricted product on Amazon like weed stuff or stuff that you can actually sell legally on Amazon. So that's step number one. If the product will cost you $10 per piece, you buy 10 pieces, that's only $100. And then shipping might be another 50 bucks or whatever it might be. You want to get those 10 units shipped to your house, right? Now, make sure that those products have actually demand on Amazon. How do you know if they have demand on Amazon? Well, you type in the word, for example, coffee mug on Amazon. You use Jungle Scout or Viral Launch, and then you will see everybody's BSR. BSR stands for best seller rank. So you don't want to look for a product where everybody on page one has bestseller ranks of like 50,000, 100,000. That means that product is not actually selling very well on Amazon in your niche. So you want to look for products that have 3,000 BSR, 5,000 BSR, under 10,000 BSR for sure. That means that this product is actually in demand on Amazon in your specific category. So once you have that, once the product arrives in your house, what you can then do is you can open up a Seller Central account, which is, I believe, $30 or $40 a month, right? You would upload this product onto Amazon, you'll create a dummy listing, and then you can actually print out a FNSKU. You print the FNSKU on each of the packages, on each of the individual units. You put everything into a box, you create a shipment, and you actually ship in that box to Amazon. And then once that arrives on Amazon, you can take some photos just using your iPhone. You can create a listing, going through some keyword exercises, learning how to find keywords, build your listing, and then just turn on PPC. So that's pretty much it, guys. You can actually do that within 1 month. And by going through that experience, you're not gonna make a lot of money. You might in fact actually lose like the initial investment, which is only a couple $100 anyway. But the thing is, you've gone through the entire process now, right? There's obviously nitty-gritty things that you can do, such as like setting an email follow sequence. If you want to do that, that's completely up to you. But I'm just trying to get you guys into the door, trying to get the ball rolling, because whenever we start something that's new, whether that's Amazon FBA or driving a car or learning a new skill, whatever that might be, the hardest part is actually taking that first initial step. Then you want to take another step, then another step. Once the ball starts rolling, it becomes so much easier. I know so many people right now that are just stuck on product research, trying to find the perfect product, contacting suppliers, doing this, doing that, but they're not actually selling on Amazon yet. And a lot of them can become discouraged through that process because it is actually one of the most tedious process, entire bigger picture essentially, right? So at the beginning, you talk to suppliers, manufacturers, shipments, this and that, and get really overwhelming. But if you just kind of take the advice that I've just given you and start small, that's the best experience you'll learn, and you can actually see whenever you saw that first sale come in, even though you lost money, you're like, wow, like people will actually buy my product, and you will understand how the entire system works. So I really encourage you guys to go out and do that. I think that's actually the best place to learn, best place to start. And after that, if you want to invest into a paid program, or if you want to invest a little bit more money into a larger shipments or whatever, it becomes so much easier because now you have the overview of how to start selling on Amazon FBA. So I hope you guys take action. A lot of you guys might watch this video and actually just like, oh, that's a cool video, Tom. I'll hit the like button for you and subscribe to your channel because you're an awesome dude. But, and then you guys move on to the next video, you guys actually don't do anything physically to move forward. So if you're a beginner, if you're someone who's never sold on Amazon, just do that. And I can promise you that you will learn so much throughout that experience. And then once you do that, let me know in the comment section below that you've done it, and I will actually invite you to, I don't know, I want to actually reward those people who have done it. So if once you've done it, once you can show me that you've done it, just leave me a comment section below and I'll get in touch with you. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys click the thumbs up button, click the subscribe button, leave a comment. I read every single one of them. And make sure you guys join the Facebook group by clicking on the link below where you can get in contact with me. And yeah, I hope that you guys have a successful Amazon FBA journey. The most important part is to start. So I hope to catch you guys in the next video.